If you install a Microsoft Windows server for the first time, you would definitely want to change the name of the server, because when you install a standard Windows server or a data center Windows server 2025, it's going to give you a standard name. So let's say, for example, this is a Windows server 2025. As you can see, it's a data center evaluation, and then you can see the computer name that was given to this device by default. So what you want to do is, first of all, before you promote your server to become a domain controller, you want to change the server name. So you need to click on computer name, and it's going to take you to system properties, where you click change. And for example, we can decide to say, I want to give this to be my first domain controller, what is going to be my DC01, and place, because this is going to be my first domain controller. I would definitely don't want to make this a domain, but I'm going to promote it to become a domain controller. I'll be showing you that in the next video. So let's click OK. So here I'm going to click OK. And now when I click close, I'll be requested to restart my device. I'm going to click restart now. So this is going to restart your device. And when we log onto this device, we can now see the host name. So let's try that and see. So now I'm going to log on to this device. So now our device have restarted. So it's still actually trying to restart. Let's just wait for our local server information to be available, and then see if name has changed. Here we go. You can see that our device name has changed to DC01, and right now we can now start changing our device, because we need to still change our device network address to a static IP address. So I'll be showing you that in a different video on how to do it on a Windows Server 2025.